Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to send gifts on Telegram. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram and after that go to the person that you want to send gifts for him and open the conversation, for example this one, and after that go and click on the paperclip on the bottom left of the screen, and after that, as you can see, there is multiple options. So gifts are not available in this chat. Let's try. Oh, it's not available because it's a secret chat. So let's go to the normal chat and click again on the paperclip, and as you can see, the second option is gift. Just click on it, and after that you will find here all type of gifts that you can send. And to send these gifts you have to buy stars, because gifts are not for free. As you can see, gifts, below every gift there is a number of stars, and you have to buy those stars with real money, so you can't send this gift to the person that you want to send it to him. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.